Hello ladies and gentlemen, myself Manish and I welcome you to a new video of Technical Chaharji. It's Sunday and on Sunday we look back at the things that made a lot of buzz into the technology world. What kind of new phones have been launched this week? What are the specifications? Whether you should buy this phone or not. Everything and every question of yours will be taken in this weekly tech update. So without wasting time, let's get started with the video. A couple of phone launches, a big one I should say, that will change the way you use your phone. So the first update which is coming up is from the WhatsApp. Your favorite WhatsApp now is in danger. If you haven't updated the WhatsApp last now in the previous week, you should update your WhatsApp right now while watching this video. The reason behind this update is that the hackers are now able to download a spyware right now into your phone. So if you haven't been able to update your WhatsApp right now, you should update it. And the reason behind this spyware is that hackers just give a missed call to your WhatsApp number, and with the help of that they will now able to download a spyware right now on your phone. With the help of this spyware, they are now able to control your voice, they are able to control your contact history, now and moreover they are able to control your camera as well. Just think about it, that what kind of danger you are in if you haven't been updated your WhatsApp. The second update which is coming up is from the Paytm. The Paytm now has been partnership with the Citibank, and with the help of this partnership now they are offering a credit card to you with the help of the Paytm. This is the same kind of co-branding which they done. The airlines have also done this with the Citi card, and the Jet, the Jet branding has also been done with this Citi card. Now the annual fee of this Citi Paytm card is around 500 rupees. But if you do your spend around 50,000 rupees or more in a particular year, this 500 rupees will be waived off. But what's the benefit of this card? With the help of this card, you're getting the extra 1% cashback if you do the shopping on your Paytm. Do let me know in the comment below whether you do any sort of shopping on the Paytm or you have been doing a lot of shopping on the Amazon or on the Flipkart. So the other which is coming up is from the WhatsApp. Now if you have updated your WhatsApp, you'll be able to use the 155 new redesigned emojis. This 155 redesigned emojis you can able to use if you updated your WhatsApp. Plus you are now getting the night mode into the WhatsApp. Earlier which we know as a dark mode into the WhatsApp, now it being used as a night mode into the WhatsApp. So do let me know in the comment below that whether you're still able to see the new kind of emoji right now in your phone and you're able to use the night mode right now in your phone or not. So the other update which is coming up is from the Lenovo. The Lenovo has introduced a new type of prototype by the name of the ThinkPad X1. What kind of ThinkPad X1? It is the world's first foldable laptop. Yes, you heard it right. This is the world's first foldable laptop, and just the prototype has been introduced by the Lenovo. First, think about the technology. You'll be able to fold your PC or the laptop, and then again you'll be able to unfold and use your laptop. This prototype will be used in the 2020. Just wait for the year 2020. We're able to see the world's first foldable laptop. So the next update which is coming up is from the Redmi. The Redmi is going to launch its new phone by the name of the Redmi 7S. It will be available exclusively with the Flipkart and it will be available in the red color. So these two things have been confirmed by the Redmi. This phone is expected to launch on the 20th of May. So just wait for the 20th of May where we are able to see the first budget phone from the Redmi. And this phone again is going to make a lot of buzz into the Indian market. So the other update which is coming up is from the Micromax. The Micromax has launched its new phone by the name of the i1X. If I talk about the specification, it will be displayed of 5.41 inches. You'll be able to see a bigger notch on the front panel. Nowadays of the full bezel-less and your tear down notch, but the Micromax is offering us about this full notch, which will be the tradition with the 2018 trend. And if I talk about the specification, it will be coming with your Unisoc 9863 processor, and it has a 2 GB of internal RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. If I talk about the camera on the front and on the back, you're getting the 5 megapixel camera. The battery is of approximately around 2200 mAh, enough to keep your phone approximately around half a day. And if I talk about the price is approximately around 5,000 rupees. So if you have a budget of around 1,000 rupees more, you have a Redmi 6A into that segment. Do consider that phone for this phone because that phone is again a great value for money as compared to this Micromax i1X. So the next update which is coming up is from the Asus. The Asus has launched its new phone by the name of the Asus Zenfone 6. And if I talk about the specification, it is as equivalent as your OnePlus 7. It's coming with the same processor of Snapdragon 855. It has a beautiful dual camera on the back of 14 megapixel plus 30 megapixel. It has a massive battery of 5000 mAh. And if I talk about the screen size is of 6.41 inches and the full bezel-less screen is given by the Asus Zenfone 6. But what about the front camera, the selfie camera? Do you have a pop-up over there? No pop-up in the Asus Zenfone 6. Just a rotating camera which will come from the back to the front. And with the help of this front camera, now you're able to have a dual camera on the front as well, with the same specification as your rear camera of 14 megapixel plus 30 megapixel. So let's hope that Asus will launch soon in this phone into the Indian market and will be a price around 30 to 31,000. It will be a true flagship killer and a true OnePlus 7 killer as well. So the next update is about the OnePlus 7 series. The OnePlus 7 series has been launched into the India, and both the phone, the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro, actually has been launched into the India. Well, everyone is talking about the OnePlus 7 Pro and nobody is talking about the OnePlus 7. So if you're very much crazy about your photography skills, you should consider buy a DSLR instead of OnePlus 7 Pro. But the OnePlus 7 is actually a great deal if you can buy it over your OnePlus 5 or the OnePlus 4 over the OnePlus 3. Both this OnePlus 7 or the OnePlus 7 Pro have a price difference of around 60,000 rupees. I already made a video about the OnePlus 7, you can check that in the iCard, where I have already talked out in detail about the specification of this OnePlus 7. So the last update is from the OnePlus again. The OnePlus Zen mode, or you can say the OnePlus 7 Pro Zen mode, is going to be soon available into the OnePlus 6. What this Zen mode is going to do? The Zen mode is going to keep the 20 minutes timer on your phone. With the help of that, you can able to enjoy the surroundings. You will be able to just receive the calls or take the pictures. You will not be able to use any sort of the social media websites. Any surfing is just been kept away from your 20 minutes break. So it's just like taking a break from your cell phone. If you are very much cell phone user or uses cell phone every other second, you can use this Zen mode right now in your phone. And then with the help of that, with the 20 minutes, you can just relax and just forget about your smartphone. So that's all from this update about this weekly tech news. So if you like this update, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such interesting videos. And I'll see you all in the next one.